Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Unfortunately, my DeWalt Random Orbit Sander finally kicked the bucket this week. It doesn't owe me anything at this point. It's been 5-ish years of not easy work that I have put that thing through, and it finally just gave up. So it's time to replace my Random Orbit Sander. I don't really have a preference. I could stick with DeWalt, it's been good to me, but I asked the folks on my live show last night what I should replace it with, and somebody said, "Why don't you just randomly pick one?" Because if you don't have a preference, just randomly pick one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've got Makita going in the bowl. I've got Bosch going in the bowl. I've got Rigid going in the bowl. I've got Milwaukee going in the bowl, and of course I can't leave out the DeWalt because it has been good to me, and I always thought that I would probably replace it with another one because it's been good to me. But let's see. We'll find out together what I'm gonna go buy. Give them a chuck around, make sure none of them are coming out. What do we get? What do I get for a new Random Orbit Sander? I'm gonna buy a Bosch sander today. Let's go.
What's mom want? Oh yeah, she loves it.
Or have you been to Lordco? No, maybe try Lordco or even Napa. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so I have gone with the Bosch ROS 10 2.5 amp single speed random orbit sander. I went to all three of the stores in my town that sell tools, hoping to find the variable speed version of this sander, but to be fair, I think I can count on one hand the number of times over the last 5 years that I have needed to turn down my DeWalt sander. So I think this one will be just fine. It was an even $100 Canadian. Let's see what you get in the box. Sometimes you get a little carry case. No, not in this particular case. You get a sander. And adapter for your vacuum. There we go, plug and play. Oh, bonus sanding disc comes in the instructions there. So this is what I'm gonna be using moving forward. We'll see how it goes. I'll do a review in a few months. Okay, I'm gonna hop in here because I have been using the sander now for a couple of months. So it's future Mike talking. Let's go over a couple of the first initial observations I have about the sander and talk about how it's working out for me. The first thing that I noticed is the height difference. I didn't notice it immediately coming out of the box because it's really only about a half an inch difference in height, but when you use it, it feels a lot taller than the DeWalt. The center of gravity has shifted up so much that it does feel more top heavy, and I do prefer the center of gravity on the DeWalt being lower and closer to the wood. The Bosch being taller does have more room in here if you wanted to use your sander that way. I don't use my sander that way. I might give it a shot just to see if that helps any, but I do prefer the shorter, squattier format, I guess, of the DeWalt. The second thing that I noticed is the significant decrease in vibration between the Bosch and the DeWalt. This new sander is far more comfortable in terms of vibration reduction. I can go way longer without having that sort of like lingering tingling, I guess, in my hand after I stop. However, that's not really an apples to apples comparison, because I'm comparing a brand new Bosch sander to a DeWalt sander that I was using for about 5 years. So new to new, I can't really comment. Maybe 5-year newer sanders just vibrate that much less than 5-year-old sanders. I don't know. But those are the two first initial impressions that I have of the sander. I'm going to keep using it, obviously. That's my new sander. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Remember, I do have a Patreon page. If you like what I do here, you can head over and support. There's a link down in the description. And that's it for now. Thanks for coming. I gotta get back to work. Bye.